Welcome to our video, Top 14 Best DIY Tools. Whether you're a professional, a hobbyist, or just love tackling projects at home, we've curated a list of innovative tools to make your tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 14. These scissors are perfect for achieving sharp, clean cuts on lightweight materials like plastic pipes, molding, and PVC strips. The adjustable angle feature lets you cut with precision, ranging from 45 to 135 degrees, thanks to the high-quality SK5 carbon steel blade. With 10 replacement blades included, you'll always be prepared. However, it's not suitable for cutting wood or metal, ensuring this tool is specialized for specific materials. Number 13. Featuring 5 interchangeable lenses with magnifications from 1.0x to 3.5x, this versatile tool is a must-have for detailed tasks like crafting, reading, or electronic repairs. Switch seamlessly between glasses legs and a headband for comfort during extended use. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, its LED light enhances visibility, making it a reliable companion for delicate projects. Number 12. For those who love to keep their kitchen tools razor sharp, this tungsten steel sharpener is an excellent pick. Its adjustable angle ensures perfect edge alignment, while the replaceable ceramic polishing discs enhance longevity. With a compact and durable design, it's perfect for maintaining your knives effortlessly. Number 11. This 2-in-1 station combines a hot air gun and a soldering iron, making it ideal for precise soldering tasks. With dual LCD displays showing temperatures from 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, you'll achieve perfect results every time. Its automatic cooling function prolongs the heater's lifespan, making it a long-term investment for electronics enthusiasts. Number 10. Perfect for assembling animal cages, this tool comes with 600 nails for creating secure enclosures for rabbits, chickens, and more. Made of high-quality manganese steel, it's both durable and easy to handle. Designed for wires less than 1 centimeter in diameter, this tool ensures quick and secure fastening every time. Number 9. A must-have for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts, this tool simplifies measuring and marking. Its unique design allows for precise outlines, circles, and tiling marks, making it a versatile companion for construction and renovation projects. Number 8. Transform your electric drill into a powerful reciprocating saw with this adapter. It's easy to assemble and capable of cutting through various materials, from wood to metal. Its durable ABS handle and steel saw blade chuck ensure reliability, while quick blade replacements make it convenient for all your cutting needs. Number 7. This 13-in-1 rechargeable screwdriver set is a compact multi-tool designed for precision and efficiency. Featuring pliers, a knife, and various bits, it's perfect for on-the-go repairs. Its rechargeable battery adds convenience, while its pocket-sized design makes it an everyday essential. Number 6. Electrical projects become a breeze with this wall wiring machine. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers powerful and energy-efficient performance. Its intelligent control module ensures precise wire feeding, and the large-capacity lithium battery provides up to 6 hours of runtime. Anti-dust and anti-pinch features make it a safe and reliable tool for electricians. Number 5. This tool is essential for air conditioner installation and pipework. With its all-aluminum construction and ergonomic design, it ensures precision and ease of use. The set includes metric and imperial clamps, making it suitable for a variety of pipe sizes. Number 4. Ideal for electrical repairs, this glue provides superior insulation against moisture, temperature changes, and electrical shocks. Its non-flammable and non-toxic formula makes it safe for use, while its long-lasting bond ensures your projects remain secure over time. Number 3. Designed for preheating PCB boards, this compact tool is a game-changer for soldering tasks. Its separable controller and hot plate allow for flexibility, while the OLED display and nano-ceramic coating enhance precision and durability. With rapid heating capabilities, it's an essential tool for electronics repair. Number 2. This pocket-sized tool features 8 magnetic S2 bits, perfect for precision work. Its chrome vanadium steel construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic non-slip handle offers comfort during use. Compact and portable, it's a versatile addition to any toolkit. Number 1. Simplify wire twisting and stripping with this high-speed steel tool. Attach it to a power drill for quick and efficient operation. This tool combines an insulating tape peeler and a wire twister, making it perfect for repetitive electrical tasks while minimizing hand strain. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.